Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use if/else branch automation in GoHighlevel. This powerful feature allows you to create smart workflows that respond differently based on how your contacts interact with your emails, making your follow-up sequences more targeted and effective. First, open your web browser and navigate to your GoHighlevel login page. Enter your credentials and click Login. If you're working with a sub-account, make sure to switch to the appropriate one where you want to set up this automation. Once you're logged in, head over to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Automation. This will take you directly to your workflow menu where you can see all your existing workflows. On the upper right side of the screen, click the plus Create Workflow button. An expanded menu will appear, and from there, select plus Start from Scratch. You'll now be directed to the Workflow Creation menu. This is where you can customize your entire workflow and implement the if/o automation feature we're focusing on today. Before building the conditional logic, you need to decide what triggers this workflow. Click to add a trigger, which could be an SMS sent, forms submitted, or links clicked. For this tutorial, we'll use forms submitted as our starting point. Next, click the plus button in your workflow to add the second action. On the right side panel, select Send Email. Fill in the necessary fields, including the action name, subject line, and email body. Once everything looks good, click Save Action. Now we need to add a condition that determines what happens next. Click the plus button again and add a wait action. On the right side panel, enter an action name, then click the Wait For dropdown and select Email Event. For which email step to wait for, choose the previous email step you just created. Under Select Email Event, click the dropdown arrow and select Opened, then click Save Action. Here's where the magic happens. Click the next plus button and in the search bar on the right side menu, type if/else. Under the internal section, click on If/Else Action. This will take you to the if/settings menu. Under the branches section, input a name for your first condition, click the drop-down arrow and choose Email Events. Under Select Operator, choose Is and a new field will appear where you'll select Opened. Now add another branch by repeating the same steps, but this time for the Select Operator option, choose Is Not, then click Save Action. You'll now see three separate branches for different scenarios. For the Email is Open branch, you can send a confirmation SMS or an interest check. For the Email is Not Open branch, you might want to send a follow-up email to re-engage them. And for the No Conditions Are Met branch, you can simply add a contact tag, indicating this lead isn't interested. Once you've configured all your branches, click Save and your if/automation is ready to go. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.